You wanna know what's crazy to me is that like some people really don't understand how powerful credit is, and it's sad, right? But for the people that are interested and they're trying to figure out, yo, which route should I go? Let me just tell you some of the benefits of credit, right? Now, most people are out here, they're trying to work, they're trying to get to the money, and they're trying to save up money, right? They're trying to save up money so that they can eventually invest into a hard asset that's going to produce them cash flow, right? But what if you could, there's people that have literally been working 20 plus years to save up money to invest into something and they still can't do it. But you mean to tell me you could just fix up your credit, build a relationship with a bank like this, right? And then you can walk in there any given day and get $20, $30, $40,000 to invest in this stuff, right? So people are trying to make 10K a month, 20K a month at work, which is really hard to do, right? Unless you have a tremendous job, like you got a really, 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 really good job, like you get into it. But besides that, it's hard for you to hit $10,000, $20,000 a month. But do you realize you can have a good credit score and you can go into the banks and you can acquire $20,000, $30,000 every single month, literally very easily, right? So that you can now take that money, OPM, the other person's money, other people's money, the bank, right? The bank's money, and invest it into hard assets, right? Like real estate, like Turo. You know, you could be that guy that's going to the auction, buying up the cars. Every time they talking about something, next thing you hand up, hey, I got that one. You know what I'm saying? Because you got that. That's what I'm trying to say. It just gives you more options and good credit. Just like one of my good friends said, good credit just leads to more opportunities and better opportunities. So for those of you who are trying to improve your credit and learn how it all works and rebuild it and leverage it and get approvals and get high limit credit cards, I actually created a free training. The link is in my bio. But if you want to jump that and you want the fast path to good credit and getting approvals, well, make sure that you get inside of my DIY credit repair challenge. You will not regret it. The link is in my bio, and I'll see you guys in either the class or in the challenge. We out.